So now we'll demonstrate an ARP poisoning attack using Ettercap. It's already pre-installed on Kali. Ettercap is a very popular and powerful tool for conducting this type of attack on a local area network. So we'll go up and we will search for Ettercap. We'll go enter our root password. So then from here, we will be conducting our attack on a wireless network. So we have the right things selected for our primary interface. If it was Ethernet, it would be different. We can leave sniffing at the startup selected, and then we can click accept. So the first thing we're going to want to do once we have Ettercap startup is to scan for hosts on our network, and we'll be able to intercept traffic from. We can do this by going up and hitting the magnifying glass, and this will search for our hosts. And it looks like we found 10 hosts on our network. So then we can go up and click the host list, and we will see what is connected or what are these 10 hosts that it found. There will be an IP address and it'll have an associated MAC address. And then we will now switch over to the target machine and run an ipconfig all. To get the IP addresses of the machine we want to intercept the traffic from. This is only possible for this demonstration and wouldn't be realistic while conducting the actual attack. So from here, we'll be able to find the MAC addresses and the IP addresses from our ipconfig command. This information will be used to demonstrate the attack and selecting the correct host we want to target for our main man in the middle our poisoning attack. We'll be able to find the host in our list of scan hosts in Ettercap.
All right, so we're back to the hosts found by Ettercap, and we are going to select the target machine, which we found in the last step, and that's this one. We will add that to target 1. Target 2 by default will be all of the other hosts on the network. Come up to the man in the middle menu. We're going to select ARP poisoning. We can leave these the way they are, and we can select OK. All right, and again, it shows us that group 1 is the machine that we want as our target machine, and group 2 is all of the other hosts. And we can come up to this menu right here, and we can check out our current targets. It'll show we have target 1, that is our target machine. Target 2 will be all other hosts. And we can come up and we can view our connections. So this will show us all the connections that Ettercap is picking up on our local area network. And to get rid of some of this traffic, we can filter some stuff out. So we can filter out UDP. We can leave just TCP and other selected. We can also filter by the host if we know what the IP address is. So we'll enter our target machine IP address right here. Now it will only include results with our target IP. We'll now go back to the target machine, and we have a vulnerable login page running without encryption. We are hoping that Ettercap will allow us to intercept the credentials that we enter here. This interception will only work with unencrypted traffic. So we can type in a username and type in a password. All right, now we're back to our attacking machine running Ettercap. We're hoping that these credentials will have been intercepted. And there we go. So we can see that we picked up username, user12345, and the password is super secret password 12@, and it will also show us where it came from. So it was when trying to log into testphp.vulnweb.com and the login page. So this was a basic demonstration on how Ettercap, which comes pre-installed on Kali Linux, can be used to perform an ARP poisoning attack to pick up unencrypted traffic on a local area network.